Hi, today I'm going to walk you through the process of lighting your Lennox G12 furnace. First, you take off the main cover. It just sits up here like this. You take it off, lift up on it, set it aside here. Okay, make sure your gas valve is on. Start off with the knob here in the off position. You turn it to pilot here, and you push down on it to light the pilot. Push down on the black button and light the pilot. You hold down the button for 60 seconds until the thermocouple gets heated up enough. If you can't reach your pilot light from there, you can pull down this cover. There's two screws, go there and one there. Pull it down like this. There's your pilot light. Now, what if, like I said, you had to take that off and you couldn't get to it? Okay, so you would put your flame right here. Press down on the button. Hold it for 60 seconds. The thermocouple gets hot. That's what causes the light to stay on when you switch your furnace to on. Now, your pilot light should stay on as long as the thermocouple is good. I just replaced this thermocouple. And notice that the flame is touching the thermocouple here. See that copper looking thing sticking up right there? That's the thermocouple. It comes out here, it's this right here. Goes up, hooks down into the top of the valve here. Okay? You want to make sure, once again, you want to make sure that everything is clean. Then you can put your cover here back on. Okay. Now, just to show you guys, when you turn your thermostat up, let's say we'll just turn it up a few degrees here. We'll give it just a minute to come on. There it goes. Now, your flames should be blue flames. If there's too much yellow in the flame, you can turn your burners to the left or to the right to get less yellow, and that's how you adjust your flame. You see here, this one Mine aren't bad at all. They're clean. They're good to go. So they're not producing any yellow flame. So I'm gonna leave mine like that. Pick the cover up. Put the cover back on there. It's good to have a magnetic screwdriver. Now notice the blower motor's not kicking on yet, but that's okay because it's not supposed to kick on yet. It kicks on after this thermostat up here. This thermostat reaches a certain set temperature. I have mine set on 85. That seems to be working best for my model here today. I'm not sure if it's just this particular one, but I know this is an old unit and it heats up the house very well. Once again, it's a Lennox G12. I believe they were made sometime in the late 70s. They're a good furnace. Everything's working good. I'm going to put the screws back in, put the cover back on, and I'll show you a picture. Alright, everything is back together. Put the last cover on. Get the bottom in first. The top end, and then slide it down to lock it in place. And that's how you light the pilot on a Lennox G12 furnace. Thanks guys. Like and subscribe to this channel. I can fix it.